In this video, we're going to be looking at compound interest, or growth and decay. To begin, Ruth invests £70 in a bank account, returning 4% each year for 5 years. How much does Ruth have in the account after 5 years? This is a perfect example of compound interest. We start off with an original amount of £70, and each year, interest is going to be added on based on what is currently within the account. So after 1 year, I'd expect there to be more money in this account. After 2 years, I'd again expect there to be even more, simply because I'm going to be earning 4% on every single year based on what's on the account. Compound interest can be calculated using a simple formula. The original amount multiplied by a multiplier, and this would be to the power of the number of years. We know the original amount is 70 because Ruth is investing £70. In order to work out what the multiplier is, we start with 100% of the money and we add on 4% after 1 year. This gives me 104%, but as a decimal, 1.04. We also know that the number of years that Ruth wants to invest is 5. So I can now calculate how much Ruth will have after 5 years by doing 70 multiplied by 1.04 to the power 5. This gives roughly £85.17, remembering that because I'm dealing with money, it has to be rounded to 2 decimal places. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So Tia lost 6% on the value of a car worth £400 each year for 3 years. How much is the vehicle worth now? The original amount was 400. The multiplier will be 0.94 and it's all to the power 3. This would give £332.23. To quickly analyse the working, 400 was the original amount. 0.94 was a multiplier because I started with 100% and I lost 6%. This gives me 94%, which as a decimal is 0.94, and it was all to the power 3 because that was the number of years that Tia had had the vehicle for. So my final answer is £332.23 to 2 decimal places.